you may want to use the quantification generated by Amids itself. You don't want to recalculate those abundance. So for this reason, we have other two functions called MetReportArea and MetReportBasePeak. So basically, they return the area reported by Amids and the base peak reported by Amids. Okay, and the requirements from these functions are really similar to the ones we showed now. The only difference is that we don't need the ion library that was used by Amids, because you are not going to recalculate those ion mass fragments anyway, so we just use the results generated in the batch report. Okay, so here, met report. So let's put all the arguments again. So met report area requires a data folder, Amids report. If you want to save the output of this, the name of the file that will be generated, time window, and remove. Very similar arguments to the ones we had before. So basically, we can use everything we had here before. However, I don't need to define the ion library. So I have here now, this is the folder where the files are located. This is the Amids report. I want to save the results. I want a time window of 0.5. I want to remove those metabolites, and now I want the output to be called testing metab area. That's it, everything you need. It's much quicker. So the results already here, testing metab area. So I'm going to open that in Excel again. Let's increase here, and you have the area generated by Amids for each one of those metabolites. Okay, the same idea. In the first row you have the name of the metabolite, here the name of the replicates, the name of the experimental conditions, and here the values of all the abundances associated with each sample. Okay, very quick. So the second option is to generate, instead of the area, I want to use the base peak. I think the area is not too efficient. I don't know, maybe the coelution may change the results that I'm going to have, so I want to use the base peak. So in this case, it used exactly the same arguments used by MetReportArea. So in this case, I don't want to remove those compounds, so I can change it here, and then I can generate the results again very quick. So if I see the results here in R, now you can see that I have back acetone and ethanol. It's all here, and here I have testing metab area 1, because I forgot to change the name of the output here. So if I change to base peak, and it's done again, and now I have a new file here called base peak. Okay, the same result.